So today I have an amazing content I'm going to show you. So today I'm going to show you that chicken that I having, and having a few chickens and small bundles. Yeah, so I'm going to show you how we starting a small business one day to have a big business. So guys, you uh you can subscribe and like, share, comment. So yeah, if you have a comment, you can comment. There is no problem, guys. That is why I need you to supporting me on my channel. So today is Sunday. So guys, that is why I'm minding to show you. And today is Sunday. So yeah, I want to go church. So before go to church, so I want to show you a small video. So you can enjoying when you are watching my video. So guys, you can watch until the end. So that is why I need you on my channel, so you can supporting me to improving the target. So I don't have words to speaking, but yeah, guys, let us show you. Yeah, let us show. So guys, you can see I have a small bandas here, or you call a small house. Yeah. So you can see inside there is a chicken inside. So you can see there is a few chickens inside. So you can see this side This is only wire are covered, so to make sure the chicken cannot move outside. So you can see under here, you can see a big chicken. So you can see there is a two steps. Step one, you can see big chicken inside, big chicken, and another step, you can see small chickens. So small chickens, yeah. And the other side, there is the other side here, the same small chickens. Yeah, you can see big mother, the this side small children. Yeah, so I don't have a wire to cover all sides. You can see another side here. You can see I'm using the net to cover to make sure there is security here. You can see here I'm using net. I don't have a wire, so I don't have a money to buying another wire to recover here. So that is why I'm using net to recover. You can see I don't have a iron steel. I don't have iron steel to putting here. So yeah, I'm using this to recover here, and I'm using net. Yeah. So that is a small business. That is how a big business are starting here to business improving to be big. So I'm starting from that is how I look it. So guys, you can see I'm using the you call mapaki of food. So you can see that is food. That is food. I'm use it. So let me. That is food I'm giving this chicken. This is the food. So you can see that is the food. Yeah. So you can see the chicken is hungry. So yeah. Even I give it the maize. Uh, you can see there is a food here. So that is food I give it chicken. So I know chicken is hungry. So I go to take the maize and come and giving. Yeah, guys, that is why I'm starting a small business one day, one time. I'm the one of who I have many chicken. Yeah, like 2,000 chicken. So me, I have like 18 chickens here. You can see inside. Yeah, it's like yeah. Under here, you can see like 18 chickens and up here you can see there is uh, like 60 small chicken here. So you can see here like 6 chicken. So yeah, I'm going to give chickens food. So you can I want to show you this food I'm giving. So I want to show you. In Africa, guys, English is hard. So even me, I have a problem to talk in English. So I'm talking English uh, for hanging. I'm hanging English. So I'm not the one who are talking speed, and faster. So me, I'm talking small, and slowly. I'm talking English slowly. So that is why I'm going to running to talking speed, all faster. So I know English, but to speaking speed, yeah, that is a problem. Yeah. but in Africa, English is hard. So I'm trying to know English. Yeah, that is why I'm going to school, but I'm not done. I'm not done the school. Yeah, I'm still to go to school. I'm a form 4. So here is a so guys, guys, I'm searching money to buying another wire. So to make sure, yeah, this place I look all like this. So I'm using that wire to recover all spaces here. So that is why I want to search money to doing another business, small business, or to go the job. Yeah, to get money and buying another wire to make sure I'm covered this space. Yeah, to look like this. I want this. I want this house to look like this wire. So all spaces on all sides. Yeah. So guys, you supporting me on my channel. So supporting me on my channel, you watch my video, you subscribe, share, likes. So to see that. So please, guys, supporting me. Yeah, watch until the end. Yeah, you can see there is a cover small spaces here. It's a small house, but one day, one time, I want to construction a big house to make sure I'm going to have I'm going to have many chickens, like 2K. Yeah, guys. So I'm going to give hens food. So I want to show you how I'm give it the chicken food. So yeah, wait. So guys, that is the food of chickens. You can see here. Yeah, that is the food I'm gonna give it chicken. So already I'm taking a small here. Yeah, I'm taking a small here, small maize. So I want to give it. You can see. You can see. It's the hungry. So I'm using that material. So that is the door I'm recovered here to make sure the chicken cannot pass out. So I'm open like that. I'm open like that. You can see the chicken. He want to remove, but he already won. Hey, hey. So I'm using that. So I'm doing like this. So to pass inside. So that is how give it food chickens. I'm throw inside, then he take it. Then he eat. That is how he give it chicken food. When you open the door, he pass all of you outside. All of them outside. Yeah, guys. So guys, work Work is work. So me, he feeling like that. Yeah, don't fight, don't fight, don't fight. Eat food without fight. Hey, he can't eating. So guys, I'm hustling to get money. So to make sure I'm the one of who are have a big business of chicken. So that is a yeah. So I'm done to give it hence food. So I'm going to doing another business here. So I want to go to the farm. So already I'm finished to give chickens food. So guys, remember, I remember you to subscribe on my channel. So I'm with Jojinema. So you can search there, you can get me there, you can subscribe, you can like, share. Yeah, guys. I know everybody he know me. I'm trending on my TikTok. I'm trending in my YouTube. So guys, I know everybody he know me. Yeah, you can go on my TikTok. I'm trending there. I'm Georgino Emma, but spelling it is on there. It is English spelling. Georgino in English, but on my YouTube I'm using Georgino of Kiswahili. So guys, you can subscribe. I'm give you spelling. Spelling it is Jojino. Georgino. In short, Emma E small e and the double M and the A small a. Georgino Emma. Georgino in Kiswahili. Emma in short. So you can subscribe me there. So yeah, I know everybody will know me. That is why I want to trend on my YouTube channel. So to make sure everybody know me. Yeah, I'm African guys. You can support me, help me. Yeah, that is why I need you guys. Yes.